At Lytx, we harness the power of video and other data to make companies safer, more efficient, and more productive. Ultimately, our goal is to save lives, and every day we focus on making sure that commercial drivers are not at fault of a collision. And we do this by using leading edge technology, by using volumes of quality data, and also by a programmatical approach to reducing risk. So Lytx works in detail in 3 key areas. So if a company is looking to use video to try and just capture what's happened in the past and use it for insurance purposes so they can get the insurance company working on that claim very quickly, then obviously we can do that. And we can do that through our cloud connected cameras, our 360 view of the vehicle. We can do that and allow people to capture any types of vehicle, any types of video on any type of device, anytime. That is very reactive. It's after something's happened, but we can do that. Other companies are looking and talking to us about trying to give the power back to the driver so they can react to things in the present. In the moment, something's about to happen or is happening, and you need to be made aware of that. So through in-cab alerts or notifications through to management that something is about to happen. Now, for a driver to receive a notification, audible notification saying that perhaps they're getting too close to the vehicle in front, or perhaps they've taken their eyes off the road, could help prevent accidents happening in the future. So that's in the moment notifications, but it is in the moment, meaning you are nearly in a collision. The third part of what we can provide is the ability for us to identify certain behaviors that we can use to predict outcomes, so that we can predict that certain drivers may be more risky, and for coaches and that company to work with those drivers to improve their behavior so they go back on the road more effective. And we do that by capturing lots of small clips of video, reviewing it through our review center. We review over 4 million clips per month today, and we look at that and we score those for risk. And that then identifies where the riskiest drivers are and allows you to focus specifically on coaching and training that driver. Now, if you imagine you take all 3 of those areas, the predictive algorithms and the coaching program, the in-the-moment machine vision and artificial intelligence notifications, and the over-the-air connected cameras that allow you to look back at any time to what happened in the past, put that into one camera and one solution from Lytx, and that's a very, very powerful risk reduction solution. So to drill down a little bit deeper into how the fundamentals work, let me give you a quick scenario. A driver is driving down the road today and something happens in front of them. They put the foot on the brake and it creates a G-force event. That G-force event is 12 seconds long. It goes back 8 seconds and goes forward 4 seconds and captures what happened in the 8 seconds before that G-force event happened and 4 seconds afterwards. That is immediately uploaded into the cloud, where certain algorithms check that it's just not a false positive. It then moves over to a review center where they look for not only what happened, but what other things were happening around the vehicle and inside the cab at that particular time that may have caused that G-force event to happen. So you know that something's happened, but why has that happened? We identify that, we look at the different risks, and we then send that back down to the coach's inbox. The coach comes in next morning, they've got 5 minutes to do something, and what we've done is presented them with the most important clips that would have the biggest impact on their bottom line. And if they've only got 5 minutes to do one thing, look at these 2 clips and take action on those. Everything else is being captured, everything else is being scored, reports are driven. But if they've got 5 minutes to do one thing, and that's really critical because your staff are busy, they've got other things to do in their day, and we don't want our solution to be an operational burden. So we do the heavy lifting for you and present you with the things that you're going to have the biggest impact on your safety and your bottom line. So you may not be ready to engage and talk to any of our employees today, but you can visit our website, and the address is on the screen, and you will find a huge amount of information about what other companies are doing with this technology today, about some of the compliance solutions that you may require for your business, just how you start looking into improving safety across your fleet. Please take a look there, and obviously contact us through the website or call us, and we'd be happy to come out and speak to you.